Hello, this is Mendo891 and today I have my first unboxing. I've been wanting to make an unboxing for some time. I have a lot of stuff I would like to unbox, but I already did. But here we go. This is excuse me, sorry, I'm not good. It says, I'll give you a name when I opened it. It's a camera. It's pretty sick. Sorry, I do not have a tripod, so it's not going to look that good. Sorry for the moving and stuff. I don't have a tripod. So here is HD Averio from JVC. It's full HD 1080p. It has pretty much a lot. It has 20 optical zoom and 24 megabytes record, 20 megabits phase detection and a bunch of stuff. Let's open this. We have manuals, CDs, DVDs, whatever. Right here we have the capstan, power block or whatever it is, some battery, pretty sure it's lithium-ion, and some cables to connect to your TV. And right here we have the camera itself. Excuse me, sorry. So I'm just gonna make a pause and I'm back. So here we have JVC as logo, HD sign, Averio, 20 optical zoom, dual memory, AIS with advanced image stabilizer, the battery, the cap, HD, 20 optical zoom, stop record button. You open this right here, the screen, laser detection. Okay, menu, bunch of stuff. Right here, you press and close this. You push it right there, and you open that, and the battery should just get out. Sorry. So that's pretty much all.